Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand high performance, smooth gameplay, and immersive VR experiences. At its core, this system is powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, a 20-core beast running at a base frequency of 2.1 GHz. With the Intel B760 chipset, this CPU handles demanding games, streaming, and multitasking with absolute ease. Whether you're running AAA titles or editing high-resolution videos, this PC keeps everything smooth and responsive, making it ideal for both gamers and content creators. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 16 GB of dedicated VRAM, which ensures stunning visuals, realistic lighting, and smooth frame rates. With support for ray tracing and DLSS 4 AI-enhanced frame generation, you can expect lifelike environments and crystal-clear details even in graphically intensive games. The RTX 5060 also makes VR gaming a seamless experience, providing ultra-smooth visuals without lag or stutter. Memory and storage are also top-notch. Equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, the system ensures fast load times, smooth multitasking, and quick access to your favorite games and applications. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage, drastically reducing boot times and load screens while allowing you to store all your essential games, media, and software without compromise. Connectivity on the Gamer Xtreme is comprehensive. With USB-C 3.2, multiple USB-A 3.2 and 2.0 ports, LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, you have everything you need to connect multiple peripherals, high-speed devices, and wireless accessories without any hassle. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the 7.1-channel audio support, delivering rich, immersive sound for gaming, movies, and music. Aesthetically, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme is designed to impress. The tempered glass side panel showcases the custom RGB lighting, giving the system a sleek, modern look that can complement any gaming setup. It also comes with a keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to start gaming immediately after setup. Reliability and support are another highlight. This PC comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty along with free lifetime tech support, ensuring peace of mind and assistance whenever needed. For gamers and creators who want a desktop that can handle anything they throw at it, from ultra-high settings in the latest games to VR experiences and multitasking workflows, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a robust and stylish choice that delivers performance and versatility in one package. In short, this system combines high-end performance, cutting-edge graphics, rapid memory and storage, advanced connectivity, and impressive aesthetics into a single, ready-to-play gaming machine. Whether you're building your dream setup, diving into VR, or looking for a future-proof gaming rig, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC checks all the boxes.